सो फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑपरेशन मैनेजमेंट जो है इंट्रोडक्शन का। तो ऑपरेशन मैनेजमेंट encompasses all organizational activities that acquire the raw form of materials मतलब input, process or convert into a consumable products and services as required to meet the needs of the end customer। मतलब जो कस्टमर को चाहिए एक प्रोडक्ट, वो बनाने के लिए जो रॉ मटेरियल से लेके फिनिश गुड्स तक जो प्रोसेस है उसी को ऑपरेशन मैनेजमेंट बोलता है। ऑपरेशन मैनेजमेंट डील्स विथ बोथ टेंजिबल प्रोडक्ट एंड इंटेंजिबल सर्विसेज। ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ ऑपरेशनल मैनेजमेंट, दो ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है, एक होता है कस्टमर सर्विस और एक होता है रिसोर्स यूटिलाइजेशन। कस्टमर सर्विस मतलब राइट थिंग एट द राइट प्राइस एट द राइट टाइम, और रिसोर्स यूटिलाइजेशन मतलब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो रिसोर्स है उसका मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइज करना। तो कस्टमर सर्विस में बोलता है सर्विस फॉर द सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ कस्टमर वांट्स। कस्टमर सर्विस इज देयरफॉर ए की ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ ऑपरेशनल मैनेजमेंट। प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव कैन बी सेटिस्फाइड बाय प्रोवाइडिंग द राइट थिंग एट द राइट प्राइस एट द राइट टाइम। और रिसोर्स यूटिलाइजेशन में बोलता है another major objective is to utilize resources for the satisfaction of customer wants effectively, that is obtaining maximum effect from the resource or minimizing their loss under realization or waste। तो स्कोप ऑफ ऑपरेशन मैनेजमेंट, स्कोप क्या क्या है? लोकेशन ऑफ फैसिलिटीज, प्लान्स लेआउट एंड मटेरियल हैंडलिंग, प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन, प्रोसेस डिज़ाइन, प्रोडक्शन प्लानिंग एंड कंट्रोल, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल, मटेरियल्स मैनेजमेंट एंड मेंटेनेंस मैनेजमेंट। मतलब एक जो फिनिश प्रोडक्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या लगता है? एक लोकेशन चाहिए जहाँ पर फिनिश गुड्स बनेगा, एक प्लांट का प्रॉपर लेआउट चाहिए, एक प्रोडक्ट का डिज़ाइन के लिए कुछ चाहिए, एक प्रोसेस चाहिए कैसे होगा, फिर प्रोडक्शन प्लानिंग करना होगा, कंट्रोल करना होगा, उसका क्वालिटी चेक करना होगा, मटेरियल्स को ठीक से मैनेज करना होगा। द मेजर डिसीजंस एरियाज आर प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्शन, facility location selection, demand forecasting, process selection and layout decision, capacity planning, aggregate planning, master production schedule, material requirement planning, manufacturing resources planning, distribution resources inventory management, supply selection and sourcing, process management, quality management, maintenance, warehousing and transportation, reverse logistics. In addition, an operation manager is also responsible for working capital management, skill management etc. Characteristics of modern operation function, पहला है manufacturing as competitive advantage. In the past, production was considered to be like any other function in the organization. When demand was in, production capacity were inadequate. The concern was to somehow master all the inputs and use them to produce goods which would be grabbed by market. But today's scenario is contrasting. Plants have excess capacity, competition is mounting, the firms look and gain competitive advantage to survive and succeed. TQM, time based competition, business processing re-engineering, just in time, focus factory, flexible manufacturing system, computer integration and the virtual corporation are employing to gain those competitive advantage. Second point होता है service orientation. As the stated earlier, service sector is gaining greater relevance these days. The production system therefore needs to be organized keeping in mind the peculiar requirements of the service component. The entire manufacturing needs to be geared to serve intangible and perishable nature of services. Constant interaction with the clients or customer, small volume of production to serve local markets, and need to locate the facility to serve local markets. There is increased presence of professional on the production instead of technicals or engineers. Third point है disappearance of smokestacks. Protective labor legislation, environmental movement, gradual emergence of knowledge-based organizations have brought totally transformation in the production system. Today's factories are aesthetically designed and built environment friendly. In fact, there are homes away from homes. Going to factory every day is no more excruciating experience. It is like holidaying at a scenic spot. Small has become beautiful. The last point. It was E.F. Schumacher who, in his famous book Small is Beautiful, opposed the giant organizations and increased specialization. He advocated instead intermediate technology based on the smaller working units, community ownerships, and regional workplace, utilizing the local labor and resources. For him, small was beautiful. Businessmen all over the world did not believe in Schumacher's philosophy, inspired by economic of scale. Industrialists went in huge organizations and mass production system. The last topic, recent trends in production and operation management. First, global marketplace. Globalization of business has compelled many manufacturing firms to have operations in the many countries where they have been certain economic advantage. Production and operation strategies. More and more firms are recognizing the importance of production and operation strategy for the overall success of their business and necessity for relating it to their overall business strategy. TQM. TQM approach has been adopted by many firms to achieve customer satisfaction by a never-ending quest for improving the quality of goods and services. Flexibility. The ability to adapt quickly to change in volume of demands in the production mix demand and the product design or in delivery schedules has become a major competitive strategy and a competitive advantage to the firms. Time reduction. Reduction of manufacturing cycle time and speed of the market for a new product, providing competitive edge to a firms over and other firms. Edge to a firm over other firms. When companies can provide product at the same price, quality, quicker deliveries, provide one firm's competitive advantage edge over the other. Technology. Advances in technology have led to a vast array of new products, new processes and new materials and components. Worker involvement. The recent trend is to assign responsibility for decision making and problem solving to the lower level in the organization. This is known as employee involvement and empowerment. Re-engineering. This involves drastic measures or breakthrough improvements to improve the performance from scratch in the redesigning the business. Environmental issue. Today's production managers are concerned more and more with pollution control and waste disposal, which are key issues in protection of environment and social responsibilities. They are increasing emphasis on reducing waste, recycling waste, using less toxic chemicals and using biodegradable materials for packaging. Supply chain management. Management of supply chain from a supplier to final customers reduce the cost of transportation, warehousing and distribution throughout the supply chain. Lean production. Production system have become lean production system which use minimum amount of resources to produce a high volume of high quality goods with some variety.